Welcome to the Flow Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 4:03 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is December 23rd. Well, today silver continued to extend its advance. It popped straight through $70, up $3 full on the day. This is just a magnificent acceleration of this trend. And I think we're in this sort of rarefied territory where we're starting to get competitive bids where people are starting to come out with really aggressive forward projections. So I thought it was particularly interesting today that Pierre Lassonde came out and said that he thinks gold is going to $17,000. This, of course, reminds me of the prognostications about where gold would go that we saw 20 years ago. Some of them have subsequently come true. It simply happened in a much longer time frame than people were anticipating. It also reminds me of a cap I sometimes wear at the chart seminar, which says Dow 100,000, which was being given out by the Dow Jones News Organization around 1999. That was the peak of the enthusiasm back then. Well, we're still waiting for 100,000 on the Dow, and it has been 26 years. Now, I would also like to take a moment and wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And I will be taking a few days off over the Christmas period. So the next commentary will be on Monday. Now, gold also extended its breakout in here today. It hasn't quite pierced the $4,500 level just yet, but still holding its advance. The other, I think, rather important news item today was economic growth. Came in at 4.3% for the third quarter. So that pretty much puts to rest any question about whether the US economy is contracting. If anything, the growth is accelerating. And on top of that, we had PCE inflation that was unchanged. So we're getting 4.3% growth without inflation going up. Now, of course, you're going to have people on the sideline saying that, well, that's not real inflation, and inflation has been mismeasured. But the reality is that if we have economic growth at this pace, it's certainly something that is going to feed through into the perception of upside potential. So the S&P 500 was at an all-time high in here today as well. And we're in an environment as well where Novo Nordisk has been trending downwards for about 18 months. And today it released an oral pill. So it's got approval from the FDA to release that. And that represented a 10% advance. Now, when we think about the broader picture here, what exactly is going on? Why is silver rallying in such a profound manner? I think more than anything, that is the question that most people are asking when they see that the price has gone from 50